Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be testing this Clarins Double Serum Foundation. Apart from this being a bi-phase product, the dial on top is actually what caught my attention. This unique way of being able to adjust the coverage to make it either a skin tint or make it a full coverage foundation is such an amazing idea. You can clearly notice the difference here where this is a little more runny than the other side given the adjustment of coverage. Today I'm going to be using it sort of on the medium to light coverage side. This is instantly adding a beautiful glow to my skin. It's also very lightweight and I cannot feel it on my face. Now the color looks a little bit off because it is my shade but it's not my undertone. Even though this foundation comes in 30 shades, unfortunately in India we have very limited options and I could not find my perfect match. I wore this foundation yesterday all day when I was traveling, and in the next part you'll see how it performed. So this is what it looked like when I freshly put it on and the weather was dry and cold. Next, I am here in my flight. Now the air is super dry in here, but my face is looking healthy and glowy. Okay, here I'm out on the airport. The air is hot and humid, but my foundation has not budged whatsoever. By this time, I was super tired, and my hair can definitely tell you how humid it must have been because it went back to being curly. It settled a little bit into my smile lines, but that's because I was having lunch. Other than that, the foundation performed amazingly. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.